Hello everyone, my name is Kurt Lawrence B. Tanglao. Today we will talk about Raiders of the Sulu Sea, vessels and weapons of the warriors. For centuries, the Sulu Sea was home to some of the most skilled seafarers and fearless warriors in the Philippines. Their ships and weapons were not just tools of survival, but powerful symbols of courage, craftsmanship, and cultural identity. The Garay was one of the largest and most remarkable vessels of its time. Built from bamboo, wood, and nipa palm, it measured about 25 meters long and could carry over 100 sailors. It had a single sail 30 to 60 oars on each side, and even a cannon at the bow. With its incredible speed and strength, the Garay dominated the seas as both a trading ship and a war vessel. In contrast, the Salisipan was small and fast, perfect for coastal raids. Its light design allowed warriors to strike quickly and retreat before enemies could respond. This vessel represented strategy and precision, proving the Sulu raiders were not only brave but also highly skilled tacticians of the sea. Among their weapons, the Kalis held a special, almost mystical significance. Warriors believed it carried spiritual power, making it both a weapon of a battle and a symbol of strength, faith, and tradition. The barong was a single-edged, leaf-shaped blade made of thick tempered steel about 1 meter long. Used by Tausong warriors, it was powerful enough to cut through firearms like the M14. In close combat, it was the ultimate weapon combining precision, skill, and raw strength. The Kris, measuring up to 1.2 meters, was both a weapon of war and symbol of nobility. Its double-edged, often wavy blade represented artistry, leadership, and power. It was carried by raiders into battle and by nobles as a mark of status and honor. The kampilan was long, heavy sword that demanded both strength and bravery. Its handle was often decorated with human or animal hair to intimidate foes, while its horn tip was used to lift the heads of defeated enemies. A chilling symbol of a victory and dominance. Together, these ships and weapons reveal the courage, artistry, and seafaring genius of the people of the Sulu Sea. They remind us that Philippine history is deeply tied to the ocean, where survival, pride, and identity were forged by wind, water, and steel. The film Raiders of the Sulu Sea honors this legacy, celebrating the warriors who once ruled the wavy and defended their homeland with unmatched skill and spirit. That's all. Thank you.